Thought somebody might find this interesting. I kind of do, mildly. This little Bolens 20-inch mower with a bad camber issue, baby overhead valve Briggs, was given to me a couple weeks ago. Want to go over some of the trash conditions of this little mower. You can see all four of the wheels are bent way in, flopping around. The bolts for the handle are wallered out. Underneath, it is very rusty. The blade is very bent, and there's rope around the crankshaft. And I'm not sure if I've seen an air filter that bad. It's actually muddy. And the lady said they were using it last year, but it would not start this year. This year being 2019. But look at this. This is a 2016 mower. So in only 2 years of use, they've managed to make this thing look like it's aged 20 years. Now, I was jokingly wondering if they were mowing acreage with it. But you know what? They did have quite a bit of acreage. But if somebody is mowing acreage with a little tiny push mower, they got a lot of free time on their hands. Or not anymore. So I just thought that was kind of interesting to see something this thrashed, and yet it's actually a relatively new mower. It does have compression. Gas looks good. It's got oil. Does not kick over at all. I haven't done anything with it other than the visual. Figured we could do a quick diagnosis while we're looking at it anyway. A little dark, but so with that air filter, this thing must have been running pretty rich anyway. Let's see if we got a spark. Well, it looks like a pretty good spark. Well, just for fun, I'll try to start it again. I did try when I got it home and nothing happened. Yeah, I ate dust on that one. That's funny, because it was totally dead last time I tried when I first got it home, and the only thing I've done now is take off that air filter. I guess it's possible that was letting zero air in. But boy, you could tell that blade is bent. You saw how that thing was shaking. It was actually bouncing the wheels off the ground. Makes me wonder if the crankshaft is straight. Oh, look at that. There's a huge chunk of the blade adapter missing. From here to here, it's wide open. It looks like it's been that way for a while because it's all rusty and dirty. Don't know what those people were doing with this mower. Yeah, I don't think the crank is bent. But I think between the blade being as bent as it is and that huge chunk of blade adapter gone, it's got some major balance issues. Well, that'll be it for now on this. I just wanted to do a quick review on it, because like I said, it kind of surprised me how thrashed a 3-year-old mower with only 2 years worth of use on it can be. I wonder if they mowed a swamp with this thing. Look at that, it's in the wheels too. Wild. But anyway, obviously I won't be doing anything with it until I get a usable blade and blade adapter for it, and fix the other little stuff at that time too. So that's it for the little 20-inch Bolens 2016 Briggs & Stratton overhead. Thanks for watching.